Dearest brothers and sisters, today we're going to be juicing a watermelon in its entirety. That is right. And it seems to me it behooves us to do so because in these times of the lifespan in these United States falling for the third year in a row, this is without precedent. It's been rising year after year after year before since they started keeping records, but now it's starting to fall. It behooves us to do so with the suicide rate rising. It behooves us to do so with deaths due to drug overdose reaching a very high level indeed. So in times such as these, we have to choose life. We have to choose reverberating, streaming, resonating life. So let's begin. Let's begin on the smallest of levels with a watermelon. So here we go. And I chose this watermelon, by the way, first of all by thumping upon it. It sounded very, very good indeed. And then I also looked at the other side of the watermelon, and I saw that it was yellow. It had a vast expanse of yellow. And these are two telltale signs that the watermelon is juicy, sweet, and alive. So here we go. Here we go. Okay. So here we have our juicer. There you have it. there you have it. This magnificent alive juice from the entirety of the watermelon. And let's pour this into a glass. And let's drink a toast to your vivacity, to the life force at the grassroots of this country. We know that you will come through. You will come through with edible schoolyards. You will come through with edible landscapes in vacant lots and parks. You will come through with reforestation. And if you're concerned about climate change and all that, the best way to stabilize the climate is by planting trees. Planting trees. They take in the carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. Who could ask for more, for something more wondrous than that? So we drink a toast to your vivacity, and please accept our best wishes for good health to you and your family. Subscribe below. Your comments are so much appreciated. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters. Our privilege to share.